Read reviews that most people are talking about Fenpos Bluetooth 5.3 bone conduction headphones. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. Stereo hi-fi sound quality and heavy bass function. Bone conduction headphones support high-definition audio decoding technology of SBC and AAC high-quality music formats, high and low frequencies are even and natural. The sense of hearing is real and delicate, and the sound quality is close to CD ergonomically designed. It combines an excellent fit with a refined design for a comfortable and stable fit even for extended periods of time. Bluetooth 5.3 technology, 32 gigabit for MP3 mode. Provide higher stable connection, get rid of cables and enjoy true wireless. No more audio interruptions, enjoy your music, sport, and games. Built-in 32 gigabit memory for MP3 mode, enjoy music without mobile phone. Dual noise reduction, front and rear mic, clear call quality. It can reduce ambient noise and easily block noise. You can comfortably make calls without any noise. Stable and powerful magnetic with balanced high, mid, and low treble ranges, producing natural stereo sound and supporting high-resolution audio sources. Stereo speakers with high sound isolation and high sound quality reproduce excellent sound expressiveness and presence. Easy operation, automatic pairing and single, dual mode free switching. Music play, pause, call start, end, reject, Siri activation and more, all operations can be realized with one key. Using an innovative Bluetooth chip, play music for more than twice as long as regular Bluetooth headphones. You can rest assured to use it for work, school, sports, mountain climbing and others. Dustproof and sweatproof. Our bone conduction headphones are made of high-quality sweatproof materials, multi-process design of the headphone body, IPX5 waterproof test. Bluetooth headphones can effectively protect the internal components rain and sweat. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.